What if I told you that you could have an AI coding assistant that works directly from your terminal, handles entire project and can debug your code in seconds? Well, that's exactly what Claude Code does, and by the end of this video, you will have it installed and running on your machine. Let's dive into it. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I create tutorials on latest AI tools and coding technologies. Today we are covering Claude Code, Anthropic game-changing agentic coding tool that currently in research preview. Claude Code is a different from other AI assistant because it works right from your command line, like in your terminal. It can read and modify your entire project and actually execute tasks autonomously. And it is having a senior developer sitting next to you, ready to help you 24/7. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want more AI tech tutorials. Let's get started. So first of all, you see on my screen this link is in the description, so you can find out the documentation link below. Okay, first let's understand what Claude Code actually is. Claude Code is an agentic command line tool developed by Anthropic that lets you delegate entire coding tasks and Claude directly from your terminal. Unlike traditional AI coding assistant that just autocomplete code, Claude can run, read, and analyze your entire code base, create new files and modify existing one, debug issues autonomously, implement features from scratch, run, test, and validate changes. It's powered by Claude Sonnet 4, which means you are getting cutting-edge AI capabilities, and the best part, it's designed to work seamless with your existing development workflow. Before we move on, we need to install Claude Code. What are the prerequisites? Let's make sure you have everything you need. Don't worry, the requirements are pretty simple. You will need a computer running Mac OS, Linux or Windows with WSL, a terminal or a command line interface, and Anthropic API key. I will show you how to get one in the moment. Basic familiarity with the command line, but even beginners can follow along in this video. If you are using Windows, you will want to set up Windows subsystem for Linux first. If you want me to create a separate video for that, drop me in the comment and I will create that for you. Okay, first we have to purchase the API key. Go to the Claude.ai. And just log in with your account like Google or any other. Then go to the upgrade plan and you will see a $17 monthly bills if you select the yearly plan. So you can use you cannot use the Claude Code in the free model, so you have to purchase the $17 or a $20 month plan to use the Claude Code subscription. All right. Then you have to come to the Claude Code documentation. This link is in the description, and you have to scroll down and Windows CMD and copy this command and open your terminal and paste it here and hit enter. And just wait for it while it's been installing on my computer. When installing, let's just make a folder that we are working on it. Okay, so I will name it Claude Code tutorial and open command line and okay, so you have to just write the Claude and it will run on the directory you want to run the Claude. And let me create a simple calculator. I want to make a simple calculator using HTML, CSS and use modern UI. To looks calculator code. Okay, hit the enter button and it works simultaneously. I open the VS Code to see what actually Claude Code is doing. Alright, just hold a moment. Now he's saying, I will help you create a modern looking calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let me build this step by step with a clean UI design. Now it's writing a HTML structure for calculator. Okay, we wait for it. You just have to hit the enter button. You want to create a calculator.html file, hit enter. Then he is creating a CSS file for modern UI design. You just have to simple hit yes. That's all you need to do. That is the future of coding, vibe coding, or you say coding, assisted coding. Now he is saying he want to create a calculator.js. Hit the yes button, and it will also auto run the server. Now it says start calculator.html in browser. Hit the enter. It opens the server file, and let me check. 1 + 1 = 2. Alright, that's great. 2 + 2 = 4, -3 = 1, and multiply by 3 and divided by 8, 0.357. Alright, the calculator is almost working fine, and that's what Claude Code do. Okay, we have to make some changes. Come to the command line again, and what we could change, let's try to edit a feature like background change the background color to olive green. Let me olive green of calculator. Okay, hit the enter, and he's saying he's updating the CSS file, and hit the enter, and again he will auto run the server again to make sure. Yeah, here you go, you can see the difference. He is actually changed the background color, and the calculator is working fine. Okay, let me see what he write the code inside the files. The CSS file, HTML file, and calculator.js file. Okay, that's amazing, that's wonderful. Okay, and there you have it. Now you know how to install and use Claude Code to supercharge your development workflow. This tool is genuinely game-changing, and I'm excited to see what you build with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI and tech content. Drop a comment below telling me what project you are going to build with Claude Code. I read every single comment. And if you want me to develop a full stack web application using Claude Code, so hit the drop the comment below, so I will create a video for that also. Okay, thank you so much for today, everyone. You have a very blessed day. Bye bye.